Many learners who learn a skill in one setting may not necessarily know how to perform that skill in various settings. This is because the learner may not have generalized that skill yet. In today's episode of Behavior Nation's Caregiver Education video series, we will discuss generalization and maintenance, what it is, why it's important, and how it's done. Generalization is when a skill is taught in a therapy setting and then performed in other settings with different people or different stimuli. Maintenance is when a learner maintains the skill over time once the skill is no longer in the teaching phase. These are a key component to ABA because applying these skills in the natural setting and with people they most likely will be used with makes the skill meaningful. For example, when Susie's mom asked, "What's your name?" she said, "Susie." The next day, she went to school and the teacher said, "What's your name?" Susie stared at her and did not answer. This is likely because Susie has not learned how to generalize the skill with other people. Once a skill is taught, many children with autism may lose the skill if they don't get frequent practice of the skill. This is why maintenance is important, because it allows the learner to practice the skill over time. Now let's discuss how it's done. Once the skill has met mastery with the therapist, it is then moved into the generalization phase. In this phase, the learner begins to work on this skill with other people other than the therapist. For example, Susie just mastered turn-taking with the therapist. When at school, she begins to work on turn-taking with two classmates. Turn-taking is now being generalized in a different setting with other peers. Another way you can generalize a skill is by working on it in another setting. For example, Johnny worked on following safety instructions in the backyard, but recently mastered that skill. Now outside of session, he works on this skill with mom and dad when they are at the park. Maintenance is done by giving the learner frequent practice of the skill in the natural environment by fading reinforcement and prompting. For more information on prompting and reinforcement, watch our videos by clicking the links below. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information useful. For more information, you can email us at info@behaviornation.com, call us at 844-262-8466, or visit our website at www.behaviornation.com.